welcome back to Live Love. If you're brand new to this channel, make sure to put down in the comments hashtag Live Love Squad. If you comment that, I will give you a shout out. I don't have any shout outs right now, so I was going to say it like this person, but there's no reason to. So I have a friend on the phone, but I can't show her face. So yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Yo.
Okay.
Okay. Don't talk. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. So it's basically just a bag, ice. So yeah. So the first thing you're going to need is a bag. It can be a zip up, it can be a Ziploc, it can be any type of bag, but it has to be clear and it has to be like chewable and it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to need some ice. I'm just using these ice cubes that we have in our house. So you're going to want to take your bag and pour the ice. It doesn't matter how much ice you have, just keep filling the top. So now that you're done filling up your ice bag, you're going to want to get it all the way to the corner. Wait just like a couple seconds, like 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Now some water has formed. You're not going to want to cut it. You're going to want to get all the air out of it. You can also get these from the nurse's office. If you're really stressed, this is kind of like a stress reliever for your teeth. You're like, if you're always like, or always biting your tongue, or biting your lip, or always like doing stuff with your teeth that hurt your mouth, but you keep doing it, this is a great like stress reliever for your mouth. So what you're going to want to do is take your ice bag. You're going to want to tip it to one side into one corner, and just start chewing on it. With an ice cube in it. So let me just get an ice cube. It's very satisfying and very, I guess, well, if you have chalk teeth, what my dentist calls them, they're basically teeth with a little bit of the tooth chipped off. So I have one of the tooth like that, and they tell me I cannot chew on ice. But I do anyways. They love ice. So what I do is I just put it in a bag, and I just start chewing on it. You can also do this at the nurse. You can go to the nurse and like say something hurts, but it really doesn't. Hello? Okay. There's someone on the phone. It's my best friend. Okay. So, yeah. So you just, you're going to want to chew it until it gets to water. Then there's probably a hole in the bag, so you can suck the water. And then that's basically it. Bye, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Bye. I love you all. Peace out.